Welcome back to your sanctuary. Throughout your day, your energy field naturally absorbs the vibrations, stress, and heavy emotions of the world around you. You do not need to carry this weight any longer. Before we begin to cleanse your field, take a moment to set your physical foundation. If you want to know how a simple posture can help you improve the results of this meditation, click on the link in the description. Sit tall, letting your spine act as a pillar of light between the earth and the heavens. Relax your jaw, drop your shoulders away from your ears, and close your eyes softly. Inhale deeply, inviting in pure violet light. Hold and exhale, letting go of everything that isn't yours. Bring your awareness to your body right now. Scan your chest, your throat, your shoulders, and your stomach. Where are you holding tension? Where does your energy feel heavy or stagnant? Visualize a warm, radiant stream of violet and golden light pouring from above, flowing directly into those tight spaces. Violet light is the sacred frequency of transmutation. As it touches every blockage, the heavy, dark energy turns into pure, weightless dust and leaves your body with every exhale. Breathe in the cleansing frequency, hold it, and exhale completely, releasing all absorbed negativity into the light. With every breath, your inner light grows brighter and clearer. Feel your heart space expanding, free from emotional residue, light and unburdened. Now, visualize a radiant sphere of golden light wrapping all around you, extending 2 feet in every direction. This is your sacred aura, completely restored, clean, and fortified. Nothing low or disruptive can penetrate this space of peace. Inhale purity and light. Exhale gratitude and sovereignty. You are cleansed. You are whole. Rest in this state of renewed purity. Feel how light your chest is, how clear your mind feels, and how grounded your spirit has become. This high vibration is your natural state, always accessible whenever you choose to clear your energy. As you open your eyes, feel the luminous protection around you. To permanently anchor this clean vibration deep into your body, click on the video on your screen right now. to experience our 5-minute grounding meditation. If you enjoyed this meditation, please subscribe and leave a comment. And remember that the sanctuary is always within you.